Once you have paid for your course, the way to access it is you go here to Online Excel Courses, and you'll see it says down here, My Courses. I'm going to click on it. When you get to this page, if you're still logged in, you'll go straight to the courses. But if you need to log in, you need to come here, put the username or email address, your password, and click Login. It will either go straight to that page with the courses, or if you get to this page, it's very simple. It just allows you to customize your username and that type of thing. But all you do is you go back to the website, and then you go to the My Courses again. And because you are now logged in, you'll see the course or courses that are available to you. And then all you need to do is choose which one you're going to do. And then you can see if you hover over the picture or the name, you click on it, and then you can start your course.